Breechtool Original consists of 3 components designed specifically to clean the toughest to get at parts of any weapon system. Proven through extensive trials since 2009, the Breechtool reduces cleaning times by 40%. This also allows the end user to streamline their weapons cleaning kit for the field, reducing weight and reducing ineffective, outdated methods. During this video, we'll be using our demonstration barrel extender chamber, otherwise known as the breech chamber. This is scaled up for a better explanation of how the Breechtool works. To begin with, apply oil to the area that you wish to clean stubborn carbon off. Please use recommended oil for your weapon system, but the oil that we're using in this video is Vortec Eliminator, and a link can be found in the description. We would also recommend using an oil spray bottle, which are available at breechtool.com. For best results, if your situation allows, we recommend waiting a bit after having applied your chosen oil. This is a perfect opportunity to clean some other parts of your weapon system. The first steps of using the tool is getting the durable nylon brush heads to do the hard work. Unlike any other attempt of a cleaning aid, the Breechtool parts do not rely on threads. This allows 2 fixed head positions that provide a complete range of motion back and forth to scrub at the carbon and debris. As you can see, the brush head makes easy work of getting at all the faces of the chamber found behind the lugs or the locking splines. By giving it a good scrub combined with oil makes the carbon break down much quicker. At this stage, the main tool comes into its own. Unlike any other cleaning aid on the market, this part is designed specifically to get at all faces in the chamber behind the lugs. Engineered from softer 304 stainless steel, it will never damage your weapon system, being over half the Vickers hardness of your breech block. First, introduce 1 or 2 squares of flannelette or cleaning patch into the chamber. Then use the Breechtool to ensure that patch gets into all parts of the barrel extension chamber. The pin tool was originally designed off the back of our research findings to eliminate the use of makeshift and not fit for purpose equipment brought in. For example, expensive dentist picks that are made of harder steel than the Breechtool, and even firing pins are being used to scrape away carbon from all over the weapon system. The pin tool solves this with its non-damaging precise point and flat edge to scrape carbon from the chamber groove and off other items, for example bolt carriers, gas plugs, sight rails and flash eliminators. It's worth noting that the Breechtool can be utilised on so much more than just the breech chamber. It was originally designed for the advanced soldier, but it's now used by a wide variety of operators across all types of firearm platforms. At NHMD, the company behind the Breechtool, we sell only the best kit for operators across the world. We don't cut corners in the field, so don't accept less from your equipment. Every single one of our other products, including the pull-through shown, has been specifically recommended, tested and used in operational theatres by UK, US, Canadian and other NATO forces, as well as recreational users and now officially branches of the British Police firearms units, who have kindly allowed us to shoot this video.